individually club bike, government organizations bike, NGO bike, promote it. But this guide is also a part of that to promote road safety. like a part of road safety week. Okay, इसके अलावा भी थ्रू द ईयर बाकी हेलमेट अवेयरनेस बाकी के गाइड होते गए थे. It's a start off for the new year. But we are going to say next 12 months of safety guiding and road travel. So the idea is that everybody has that food and everything, right?
Yeah.
और कमी का फुल गुड. पेट्रोल किसको भरना है? All the bikes are also full. ठीक है? The total ride is about 22 kilometers one way from here to Nigri, 40-50 Chowk. There, while riding from here, when the flag off happens, while we leave, there will be no overtaking. ठीक है? Traffic के हिसाब से, behavior के हिसाब से, you will have to move slow and behind. वो तो होगा. But no racing, no trying to be aware, no trying to maintain your position also. Very frank. थोड़ा आगे पीछे होगा कोई ट्रैफिक आया
गाड़ी प्रायोरिटी के आगे रहेंगे ना, उसको क्रॉस करके आगे नहीं जाना है. फॉलो द ब्रेक.
मतलब पायलट वेहिकल के आगे नहीं होगा. फॉलो द पायलट वेहिकल, कीप इन योर साइड और कीप द मोशन आएगा.
तुम्ही त्या गाडी वेहिकलमध्ये असणार ना, म्हणजे तुम्हाला स्पॉट. तर प्रादेशिक परिवहन अधिकारी पुणे कार्यालयातर्फे तुम्हाला सर्व बायकर्सचे स्वागत करतो. 25वा राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा अभियान जे आपण सुरू केलेलं आहे, त्यानिमित्ताने आमचे सहाय्यक प्रादेशिक परिवहन अधिकारी श्री योगेश बाग साहेब ते आपल्याला 2 शब्द सांगतील आणि नंतर मग आपण तिथे गाईड करू.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
I'm Yogesh Bhatt. I've been in this department for last 30 years. I joined this department in 11th February 1985. I've been working from Nashik, Pune, Kolhapur, Satara, and all over. Last day I came here from Transport Commissioner office. I was there, Assistant Transport Commissioner. This is, as Mr. Kulkarni said, this is 25th Road Safety Week. It is celebrated nationwide. There is nothing like celebration, but it is observed nationwide. And in the state of Maharashtra, we have decided that for last 3 years that there will be another additional 1 week. So we observe it for 15 days. So this time it is from 3rd of January to 17th of January. The concluding ceremony will be at Police Parade Ground on 17th. This year's slogan for the road safety given by the Road Transport Department, Central Government, Delhi is "When on road, always say pehle aap." That is the slogan for this year. You should give respect to other road users, and instead of going ahead, me first attitude should be kept off. And what is the real Indian tradition, that Janab pehle aap, that I observed only in Europe when I was there for 30 days. Whenever I used to go to enter in a mall, the lady or the man, he just after you, sir. I observed it there. Actually, it was our tradition. Now we have to use that slogan, ki when on road, always say pehle aap. So this is the slogan of this year. Let me congratulate all of you, RAC, Naked Wolf, MH12, Road Shakers, for supporting us for this good job or must done job of road safety and all these things. In India, the vehicle population as on today is 9 crores. In Maharashtra alone, it is 1.9 crores. Last year, 4,95,000 accidents took place, in which 1,32,000 fatalities also took place. So, every 5 minutes, one of you who step out of his house in the morning, their family don't know whether he will come back or not. So many deaths on the road. And the reason obviously is 80% deaths are because of the driver's mistake. That is the World Health Organization's report. And more tragic thing as far as in India is the cyclist, pedestrian and two-wheeler riders are the most vulnerable road users. Their share in fatality is almost 72%. And those two-wheeler riders die in the road accident. Out of them, 68% die because of the head injury. So the helmet awareness campaign should go on. The Narayan Satpathy is the head of the Neurologist Association, Dr. Narayan Satpathy, MS Neuro. He says it is better that government should make the helmet compulsory rather than we wasting our entire life in operating those head injuries. He says pain is mightier than scalpel. So this is must, and now you all will have that campaign on the road with the helmets. You are wearing helmets, so that message will pass that wear a helmet. Sangram has done lot of other events also, and overwhelming response is received from the Punaites that they distributed almost 1230 Cadbury's to the bikers who were wearing the helmets. For last 3 days, he was observing that campaign in Deccan, MG Road and Shivaji Nagar Chowk. So that also received a overwhelming response from the Punekar, and now we have also given Road Mirchi, our franchisee, we gave them some 40 odd helmets, 10 from us, 20 from Baramati and 20 from JB Patil Sahab, Deputy RTO Pimpri Chinchwad, wherein 3 questions will be asked to the listeners of Radio Mirchi. If they give it correctly, say for example, what is the meaning of amber light? So if he answers that correctly, then he will get a helmet from Radio Mirchi. So we have also started that campaign. This time somehow we could not have jot down that, and we are not prepared ourselves early for this because of this rickshaw permit and all issues. But next year I promised Sangram that we'll do some mega event, good events with all support from all of you. And we'll plan each and every day from the road safety week or 15 days. And we'll, with all your help, we'll do something great. Thanks. Wish you all the best. Thanks for supporting us here.